What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Portugal's Ironworks. I hope all you guys had a great Christmas time. I hope you guys all had a happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2022. We're starting the year strong. We got a lot of work to do. We have these fences, these sections that we have to finish for a customer of mine. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe. This channel is basically about welding wrought iron. We build gates, we fabricate them, we paint them, and we install them. If you're into that, check me out. Hit the bell button for upcoming videos, and if you can share, that'll be great. That'll help my channel out a lot. And yeah, man, I hope you guys are having a great time with your loved ones and with your family, and I hope you all had a great Christmas. And don't mind me, I'm not really used to talking to the camera or whatnot, but whatever. Today what we're basically going to be doing, I'm going to be showing you guys my Christmas present, a gift that my wife bought me. Thank you, I appreciate it. It's very cool. I'm going to show you guys. So this here is a welding helmet. This helmet is the 1840 series. It's a Lincoln Electric. It was a little pricey. It did cost her around $250. That's good. That means I'm never going blind. Let me pop it out. I haven't used it because, I wanted to show you guys first, before I even use it. But this is basically the welding helmet, the box that it comes in. It's pretty cool because it comes in its little Lincoln Electric baggie, where you can keep your welding helmet and it won't get scratched or whatnot, This little baggie, I'm just noticing now that it has like some things where you can put gloves or something like that, I don't know, or your welding cap. But this is the welding helmet. As you can see, this is plain black, but it's really not plain black. I got it from Amazon. Well, she got it from Amazon. This is the Aztec Lincoln Electric welding helmet. It comes with a little owner's manual or whatnot, basically telling you how to operate it or whatever, It comes with more papers that you won't be needing, obviously. But what I thought was really cool about this is that it has some stickers that you can add to your welding helmet. But I'm not gonna do that because it's new. But I have my old welding helmet that's plain black. That I will be adding some stickers to it. They're pretty cool stickers. It comes with some replacements for your mirror, so you can see correctly. And honestly, I haven't even opened this, so I don't even know what it is. When I started fabricating, I started with a Chicago Electric welding helmet. Which is this one. This was my first welding helmet. Chicago Electric. From Harbor Freight. I got it for about $40. After a while, I went to Home Depot. I bought this one. I bought the kit. I remember it was a kit for around $100 or something like that. Cool little kit. The kit came with the welding helmet. It came with a chip and hammer, some gloves, some sleeves, a cap. Basically PPE, for welding. Then after this, now I have this one, and I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to try it. Oh, this is pretty cool, a rag for your sweat or whatnot. I mean, I've been wanting a rag because, in summer, when it's summertime, I'm always sweating a lot. Right now it's pretty cold, it's been raining, so I won't be needing that right now. But yeah, this is the welding helmet. I'm excited to show you guys how. Alright, here it comes. Ta-da, ta-da. You guys ready? Ta-da. Look, check that out, guys. Look. This is Aztec designs, which is pretty cool for Mexican culture, It's pretty awesome, She did ask me what do I want for Christmas. I told her to give me whatever she wants. She was gonna give me another helmet similar to this. But she told me to pick which one. I picked this one, and I got it on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, it arrived. Thank you, Amazon. You guys are pretty awesome. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool because I don't think this one has it. No, this don't even have. That one's just fully automatic. This one is like you could put the shade lighter, darker, and it's pretty awesome because you could even put it in grinding mode. In grinding mode, you would just put it on, turn the grinder on, and put it on grinding mode right there, and you could start grinding. Then you go back to welding mode, and that's pretty awesome. Another thing that I like about this helmet is that it has the sweat pad in the front, obviously, like every other welding helmet does. I have nothing on mine. I already needed a new welding helmet, but that was pretty dope. So I like it. I got used to it, so it's pretty good. But anyways, this one has the sweat pad, right? In the front and in the back. It also has like some more I believe it's like plastic, but it is like it's some like cushion, squishy, so your head you can be comfortable. So you can be comfortable in your head, and you can weld in peace, which is awesome. This is what I got. That's pretty awesome because I usually never get nothing. Us as adults, we're always the ones giving and not receiving, But yeah, I want to tell her thank you, baby. And yeah, this is what I got for Christmas, If you guys want to tell me what you guys got for Christmas, put it down in the comments. That would be great. Yeah, I can't wait to try it on. And I hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys all had a Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2022. We have a lot of work to do, so I'm going to cut this video short. And yeah, let's get to it, man, because this work's not going to get done itself. Until next time, guys.